Asenso hapon mga ka-Asenso. Welcome back sa tong first ever Mayor sa mi ka-Asenso Barangay Cup. O karon, welcome no sa kamo nga mo tanaw mo cheer sa ating ka-fourth game which will be played by Barangay sa Toninio versus Barangay Santiago sa mga ka-Asenso no. Ayaw ka mo kalimot, ka mo like, mo follow, mo share sa atong Facebook page, Asenso Sports Channel, ag sa atong YouTube account, Asenso Sports Channel Official, ag mga ka-Asenso, ayaw sa ka mo kalimot, nga personal nga mo bisita diri sa atong Pagalan City Gym, para personal ka mo nga maka-witness, ag maka-cheer sa ato ang mga games. So mga ka-Asenso, fasten your seatbelts, relax, and enjoy the game. I'm Ivy Marchand Carpentero, padayon pag-Asenso, pagadian.
Gina na kada kong problema Joy. Kung sa gina na kada kong problema ha. Tagaan man yung pagtagad ba.
Sound check, Sai. Sound check.
And live once again, diri gyapon sa Ascenso Covered Court. It's our first mayor, sabi ko, Ascenso Barangay Cup Urban Divisions games is Barangay Santiago and Barangay Santo Niño this afternoon, mga ka-Ascenso. Sit back, relax, and enjoy as we witness another game for tonight. Cruz missing the first layup for Barangay Santo Niño. Tulabing inside to number 8. And the first score made by Bustamante of Barangay Santiago. Kuwa sa ilalim. Bawi naman agad si Kuwa against 2 defenders. Tulabing to number 20 to Acebo, pull up jumper. Cruz. Fake. Barcoma missed. Rico with the rebound. Jumper. And still no good. Now to Javier. Passing it to the Labing. Now to Yorong. Good team effort for Barangay Santiago. Rico passing it to Kuwa. Yes. And it's foul.
Number 8 was Bustamante. First personal foul. First team foul.
Kuwa first throw is good. Second throw, nail it both. 4 to 6, 8 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. Now to Javier. To Acebo. Acebo, Yorong sa gitna. Missed. Rebounded by Cruz. Fast break pass para kay Navarro. Navarro lays it up. Tied at 6, mga ka-Ascenso. Tulabing. Another miss. Navarro to Barcoba. Balik kay Navarro against Yorong. Reverse layup off the glass. No good. Yorong with the ball against Barcoma. Tulabing to Javier. Bakante for 3. Missed. Tapikan ang bola. Santo Niño wins that rebound. Now to Cruz. Cruz to Rico. Fakes. Fires. Missed. Tulabing. Ball strip. And naman eh. Javier to Yorong. Nakalusot. Off the board. Can't get it to go. Fast break pass para kay Navarro. And Navarro for Barangay Santo Niño. Yorong wala nang kumuha sa bola. Stolen by Navarro. Missed again. Passing it to Bustamante. Against 2 defenders. Bustamante no good. Copy ka ng bola. Cruz wins the rebound. Passing it to Kuwa. Kuwa to Barcoma. 3-pointer. Bam! Barcoma hits a 3-pointer for Barangay Santo Niño. First 3-pointer of the night as Acebo tries to drive. No good. Follow up. Bustamante missed. Now to Cano. Cruz. The lob sana para kay Navarro and it's missed. Navarro unable to catch the pass from Cruz. Yorong to Acebo, guarded by Rico. Good defense. Acebo. Maganda sana ang depensa ni Rico para kay Acebo. But Acebo nails that jumper in the face of Rico. Barcoma, corner 3. Bang! Back-to-back 3-pointer for Barcoma. Javier gustong bumawi. Passing ito Yorong. Good transition offense for Barangay Santiago. Cruz. To Navarro. Balik kay Cruz. Stops. Pulls it up. Can't get it to go. Navarro. Intercepted by Bustamante. Now to Javier against Cruz. Good pass para kay Tulabing. Missing that layup. Tulabing can't connect from Javier. Four-point lead for Barangay Santo Niño. Barcoma. Kua falls away. And it's good. Now to Javier. Tulabing finally scores for Barangay Santiago. 6-2 run for Santo Niño. Rico to Navarro. Now to Cruz. Bakante na naman. Bang! Smooth 3-pointer by Cruz over his defender. 3. And Yorong, sumagot naman si Yorong ng 3 para sa Barangay Santiago. First 3-pointer of Barangay Santiago of the night. Cruz to Barcoma, fakes. Passing ito Navarro, bounce pass para kay Rico, inside to Kua. And ayun, may technical na itinawag. Ito technical. Ayun, may technical foul for delaying the game. Acebo missed that technical free throw. Bola mapupunta. Bola mapupunta sa Barangay Santo Niño as Acebo missed that technical free throw for delaying the game. I think it was Rico. Cruz hesitation. Reverse layup, no good. Second chance and is fouled. And a timeout now is called by Barangay Santo Niño as they lead by 4 points with 2 minutes and 31 seconds remaining in the first quarter. This timeout, mga ka-Asenso, is brought to us by City Councilor Sam Tyra Co. And back to our ball game from that timeout. Santo Niño leading by 4 points. Tulabing double team. Now to Yorong. Yorong to Javier. Good cut by Acebo, driving off the glass. Acebo with a nice cut and the score. Kua fakes. Fires. No good. Acebu with the rebound. Bounce pass para kay Javier. All the way. Javier scores for Barangay Santiago. Cutting the lead to 1. Navarro will extend their lead. Yes, sir. Balik sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Barangay Santo Niño. As to Labing, missing his handles. Out of bounds. Bola mapupunta. Mangayo. Muragumot kayong durian yun. Harapin. And Cruz gets his second free throw. Reminders lang di ay no mga ka-asenso no. Our tawag wala tingog. Kana wala. Wala tingog. Pag sure mo diya ba? Nana wala. Kana, Nana, sound check. Sound check. Alright, balik. Back to our ball game with 42 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Javier. Pumik. Siya pumikpik nga Javier man to. Sure dia. Taka lang. Barcoma, corner 3, missed. Rebounded by Yorong. Stolen by Barcoma. 14 seconds left. Cruz. Crossover. Passing it. Kua for 3. Another miss. And that's the end of our first quarter, mga ka-asenso. Tied at 23. This quarter, mga ka-asenso, is brought to us by Vice Mayor Attorney Boy Baleleng Fernandez. Sound check, Napa. Lagi. And back to our ball game, mga ka-asenso. Second quarter tied at 23 as the first quarter ends. Mind you, mga ka-asenso, no, malapit nang matapos ang ating elimination games for our urban division. And the play-in will start hopefully next week. Wala gapoy tingog? Sai. Wala tingog na. Alright, no, so yun, elimination games is almost over. Ibig sabihin po, the season is almost over for Urban Division. Malapit nang mag-start ang kanilang play-in. Hopefully by next week or 2 weeks from now, ang kanilang play-in. While on Rural Division, Rural A, play-in will start tomorrow. It's Barangay Kagawasan versus Barangay Diburok for the play-in period para sa atong Rural A Division. Rural B Division hopefully will start next week ang play-in nato. Alright, they will be fighting for the 4th spot. Rural Division A, sa play-in period diha, they will fight for the 4th spot, and I think the 4th spot is currently held by Barangay Kubang. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, let me check. Para maniguro ta.
Good.
Yes, Rural Division, Rural A is kuano, ang top 3 sa Rural A ang automatic na pasok sa quarterfinals, wherein it's composed of Barangay Bulawan, Barangay Gubac, and Barangay Upper Sibatang, if I'm not mistaken. And the 4th spot is held by Barangay Gubang. So from 4th spot to 16th spot, from 4th to 16th rank, sila po ang maglalaban-laban for the 4th spot. Knockout system po ang play-in natin, mga ka-asenso. So pildi tagak yun siya. So congratulations for our top 3 teams in Rural A Division. And their play-in will start tomorrow. I think game 2 or game 2. Bukas po. It's Barangay Kagawasan versus Barangay Diborok. First round of our play-in period. And for our Urban Division naman, this is one of the last games ng ibang mga teams dito sa ating Urban Division. So hopefully the play-in period will start also next week or next week, I don't know. Depende kung maubos na nila lahat ang number of games nila. And back to our ball game. Corner 3-pointer, no good. By foul na itinawag against number 5 of Barangay Santiago. Table. Uy, table, pamina. 30-28. Santo Niño up by 2. Signedas. Heavy traffic, no good. Agawan ng rebound. Gets his own rebound and is blocked against 2 defenders. Now to Javier. Crossing over. Heavy traffic. Lays it up. Mentes. Alegre kuha. Binalik kay Alegre. Buti na lang andyan si Signedas to save the ball. Miscommunication for that pass. Alegre was not ready for the pass. Galing kay Signedas. Hina yung signal. Hina yung signal sa mga players karon. Omar for 3. Missed. Kuha with the rebound. Kuha. Alegre is fouled.
Foul number 8, Javier. First personal foul for FIFA Santiago.
Again, mga ka-asenso, our play-in period is about to start as soon as mahuman na ni ang elimination sa Urban Games. They will only, they will be having at least mga 5 to 6 games na lang ang natitira for each teams. So, malapit-lapit na rin. Alegre stole the ball, passing it to Kua. 1 against 3. Kua all the way. 33-28. Omar. Balik kay Javier. Nakalusot. Nabitawan. Javier. Omar. Wing 3. Nabitawan pa, oh. Omar, another miss from downtown. And another turnover for Barangay Santo Niño, now committed by Alegre. Javier now to Acebo. To Omar, balik kay Javier. Sa gitna, labas para kay Acebo. Fakes, drive, scoop shot, can't get it to go. Alegre. Missed by Alegre. Signedas, isa pang miss. And another miss for Barangay Santo Niño. Atienza, siya na lang. And a timeout called by Barangay Santiago. I don't know if kinakabahan or nagdadalawang isip ang Barangay Santo Niño for that shot. Uy, Jason Somoso, shout out. Hospital.
Foul number 22 on Pierre. First personal foul.
And back to our ball game from that timeout. Dalawang mintes para sa Barangay Santiago. Alegre. Kuha sa ilalim. Javier, crossover, steps back. Napatigil. Now to Acebo. Missed from the baseline. Acebo fakes, drives, and finally scores. O gina advantage na ba sa taas yun? Dali ra kay itunol ang bula. Alegre. Now to Kuha.
First personal foul. First big foul. Santo Niño.
Tulabing. Nakalusot. Nagmintis. Out of bounds.
Out of bounds.
Tulabing with the ball. Hangs in the air. Missed. Oh. Isang pagkakamali na naman ang pasa ni Sinieras. And a 4-4 straight points for Barangay Santiago. Coming from that missed pass. Careless pass from Siniedas. Kuha to Alegre. Fakes. Lumapit. Floater, no good. And you're wrong with the rebound. Stolen by Siniedas. Low post, turns around, fades away, missed. Acebo, tinayuan lang ang rebound para kay Tulabing. Yes, sir! Dumidikit pa rin ng Barangay Santiago sa kalamangan ng Barangay Santo Niño with only 3 points. As Barangay Santo Niño takes that timeout with 2 minutes and 18 seconds remaining in the second quarter. And this timeout, mga ka-Asenso, is brought to us by City Councilor Dr. Priscilla Dicky Fernandez. Siniedas fakes up and under, miss. Kinapos ang layup ni Siniedas. Passing it to Javier. Off the glass. Javier is good for that layup. Now to Alegre. Turns around against Tulabing. Banggaan ang mga players. Alegre, binawi ang pagkakamali. Atienza falls away against 2 defenders. Another miss for Barangay Santo Niño. Now to Bustamante against Siniedas. Bustamante too strong for that layup. Stolen by Kuha. Kuha all the way. Finally scores. And the lead is back to 3 points. 39-36. Santo Niño up by 3. Tulabing crossover to Acebo. Turnaround jumper. Tulabing naningkamot in taon sa rebound. Kuha. And another layup for Kuha. 4 straight points para kay Kuha as they extend their lead to 5. 45 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Javier di makalusot. Passing it to Acebo. Ayun. Side step. Falls away. Yes, sir! Acebo with a double-digit score now. to 41 to 38 with 20 seconds left. Signedas, 5-second shot clock to Alegre. Inside, kuha to Signedas. Mintis na naman si Signedas. Time winding down. Javier with a buzzer beater layup for Barangay Santiago as they cut the lead to 1, 40 to 41. And that's the end of our first half, mga ka-Asenso. Santo Niño only up by 1 point thanks to the buzzer beater layup by Javier.
Third quarter.
And third quarter mga ka-Asenso, Barangay Santiago versus Barangay Santo Niño. 1-point lead for Barangay Santo Niño as Javier cuts it to 1 for that buzzer beater layup. Kua outside to Barcoma. Navarro long 2 and it's good. Javier, balik kay Tulabing. Acebo, gustong bumawi, missed. Rebounded by Cruz. Running all the way. And yes sir! Cruz ang Luka Doncic ng Barangay Santo Niño. Yorong Cruz stole the ball. Cruz, bounce pass para kay Navarro with that reverse layup. Javier, binawi naman agad. Palitan ng puntos ang dalawang koponan as Barcoma hits that corner 3 for Barangay Santo Niño. Tulabing behind his back. Good defense by Navarro. Unable to recover for that ball. Kua. Umararo si Kua from the baseline. Sa isang iglap, 10 ang lamang ng Barangay. Wow! Javier with that hanging in the air layup. Uy. Cruz. Inaulok pass para kay Kua sa ilalim. Sa isang iglap mga ka-Asenso, biglang 10 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Santo Niño as Acebo tries to cut it to 8. Tulabing, driving, balik kay Acebo. And not another miss. Acebo with an offensive rebound. Second chance is good para kay Acebo. Sana all my second chance. Navarro, binawi agad. Di pa rin may baba ang lamang. Tulabing, bang! Tulabing hitting that 3-pointer for Barangay Santiago. Cuts the lead to 7. Cruz inside. Ganda ng pasa ni Cruz sa ilalim. Ang ganda rin ang pwesto ni Kua. Kitang-kita ni Cruz si Kua sa ilalim. Yorong driving, hangs in the air. Blocked by Cruz. Fast break pass para kay Kua. Timeout called by Barangay Santiago as they trail by 11 points with 6 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. Medyo mabilis ang laro. Biglang 10 ang lamang ng Barangay Santo Niño. And back to our ball game from that timeout. Santiago trailing by 11 points. Acebo. Another miss by Acebo from the same spot. Cruz. Behind the back pass ni Navarro nagmintis. Stolen by Javier. And what a nice play by Javier. Kumagat sa fake si Kua sa Cruz. Hesitation, bounce pass na naman para kay Navarro sa ilalim. Ay, si Sinyidas di ay. Barro naman hinoon. Balik sa 11. Acebo, ball stolen now by Cruz. Ako na lang muna. Yes, sir! And another steal. Pass break na naman para kay Navarro. Cruz with a double-digit. A double-double. Now by Cruz, it's 10 assists of the night. Omar for 3. Mintes na naman. Kua with a rebound. Now to Cruz. Pass intercepted by Omar. Now to Javier. Bustamante, pull-up jumper. Mintes. Kua with his 11th rebound of the night. Rebound. Omar, tumira ng 3. Isa na namang Mintes. Cruz with his 8th rebound. Lahapit na mag triple-double si Cruz. Javier. And number 5 hits that score. Timeout called by Barangay Santo Niño. 66-53 with 3 minutes and 33 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Puro naman 3.
These timeouts brought to you by City Consular, Marker, and Venustian.
Kua missed that jumper. Omar with the rebound. Tulabing. Nice steal by Navarro. Para kay Barcoma. Acebo with the ball. Acebo outside to Omar. Tumira. And Tulabing scores sa gitna. An assist galing kay Acebo. Navarro to Singedas. Hesitation fake. Kua off the glass, no good. 68-55. Tulabing to Omar. Tulabing to Acebo. Balik kay Tulabing. Nabakante for 3. Missed. Rebound by Singedas. 3 against 1. Singedas. Pinasa pa kay Barcoma. Agawan ng bola. Ball stolen by Polinar. Traveling violation called against Polinar. Sayang ang effort na yun. Natawagan pa ng travel. Barcoma for 3. Missed. Gets his own rebound. 10-second shot clock. Barcoma to Navarro. Navarro to Singedas. Inside to Barcoma. Tumira ng 3. Bang! Barcoma with another corner 3. Pangalawang beses on the same spot. Omar. Babawi. Another miss. Rebound by Tulabing. Balik kay Omar. Ako na lang muna. Okay, balik sa labas. Bustamante missing that jumper. Now to Navarro. Bounce pass para kay Singedas. Jumper no good. Navarro. Rep, di ko kita, rep. 43 seconds left in the third quarter. Tulabing to Acebo. Kumain pa ng bola. And Acebo hindi nagpatinag. Dumiretso sa layup. Sinieras crossover. Ball stolen by Tulabing. Ganda ng steal. The lob para kay Acebo. And Acebo was not prepared for that lob. Navarro. Barcoma. Naghihintay lang pala sa corner. And missed. Bustamante with the rebound. 2 seconds left. Acebo. Hinintay maubos ang oras. 73-57. Santo Niño still on the lead as we end our third quarter.
Vice Studios are Corbin, buoyed by Lake Hernandez.
Back to our ball game. Now, Omar to Tulabing. Behind the back pass. Binalik pa kay Omar sa labas at kay Javier. Good ball movement for Barangay Santiago. Everybody touches the ball until that final catch takes the score. Bounce pass. Ball stolen by Juan Labing. 2 against 3, 1 Labing to Javier. Ay, lumabas pa. To Omar, to Tulabing. Balik kay Javier. Jumper. And another score for Barangay Santiago. Cruz to Alegre. Balik kay Cruz. Luka Doncic. Bounce pass para kay Kua. 2 rebound na lang. Triple-double na si Cruz. We already have 14 points, 10 assists, and 8 rebounds. Tulabing with a nice fake. Passing it kay Omar. Now to Acebo. Steps back. Jumper no good. Cruz tinapik ang bola para kay Rigo. Balik kay Alegre. Cruz, 5-second shot clock. 2 seconds. 1. Miss. Omar with a rebound. To Tulabing. To Omar. Balik kay Tulabing. Umatake. Outside para kay Javier. Good feed sa ilalim. Di makalusot si Yorong. Balik kay Tulabing sa gitna. 9th rebound. Isa na lang. Triple-double na si Cruz. Kua. Good body movement by Kua. Kaso lang kinapos. Good usage of body by Kua against Acebo.
Personal foul. First team foul. Santiago.
Cruz. To Rico. Fakes. Fires. Missed. Yorong with the rebound now. To Javier. Kitang-kita si Omar sa kabilang court. Omar hits the 3 finally para sa Barangay Santiago. Lipay kayo si Raima, ang mamirahay sa Barangay Santiago. Kua Second chance. Another offensive rebound. Third chance is good. May pasikuan. Naka-third chance ang uban. Kas ang sayop. Bulag dayon. Piti. Sakita to, oy. Diba? Ang uban diya. Kas ang sayop. Bulag dayon. Pero si Kuwa naka-3 chances pag yun. Yay. Kabutan sa bayi. Cruz. Nice pass para kay Rico. Cruz with his 11th assist of the night. Omar. Tutulabing. Last touch. Out of bounds. Referee. Bola sa staff. Tulabing to Omar. Corner 3. Isa pang 3 para kay Omar. With the same spot. Omar catching fire tonight with back-to-back 3-pointers on the same spot. Cruz to Barcoma. Inside number 22 to Kua. Missed. Rebounded by Kua. Stolen by Javier. Javier to Omar. 3. Missed. Rebounded by Javier. Tulabing. Corner 3. And another miss. Now rebound by Kua. Kua to Cruz. Cruz taking their time. Cruz, what a sidestep, reverse. What a play by Cruz. Ball stolen by Atienza. Tukua fake sa ilalim. Another fake. Traveling violation called against Kua. Ganda ng sidestep at reverse layup ni Cruz. Javier is fouled by Navarro. Still a 10-point lead for Barangay Santo Niño here with 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Pag kini manginit si Omar, kaya pa kini magukod. Bustamante, no good. Cruz with his 10th rebound of the night. Cruz now reaching his double-double. Ay, double-double, triple-double. Cross-court pass para kay Barcoma for 3. Hitting another corner shot for Barangay Santo Niño. Tulabing Omar. Missed. In and out. Now to Cruz. The lob para kay Kua. And Kua was not prepared for that pass. Missing to catch it. Tulabing. Mintes. Javier. Gustong bumawi. Air ball. Ball save. Now to Omar. 3 consecutive miss for Barangay Santiago from downtown. And 2 consecutive turnover for Barangay Santo Niño. Now to Acebo. Acebo all the way. Basket at Mike Asama pang foul.
Acebo.
Omar. Bang! Omar with another 3-pointer. Last 2 minutes of our fourth quarter. Kua at hindi na sinupalpal ni Acebo si Kua for that play. Acebo knows that Kua will be unstoppable for that layup. And another miss for Omar. Stolen by Kua. Passing it to Navarro. Santo Niño really knows that they are winning this game. Barcoma! That seals the deal for Barangay Santo Niño. Aba! At pumasok pa talaga. Sayang. Kung sayo lang unta nangigo si Omar, why siguro gukod pag yun ng Barangay Santiago. But then it was too late. We only have 1 minute and 25 seconds left in the fourth quarter. However, if Santiago knows how to make their play para mabakante si Omar, who knows? Because Omar is also dangerous from downtown, lalong-lalo na pag siya ay nabakante. Oh, mali ba si Uncle? Alegre to Signedas. Signedas for 3. Bang! Signedas, walang kaawa-awang pinapatay ang Barangay Santiago from downtown. As Javier still keeping the ball alive. Signedas to Alegre. Unfortunately, kapos na sa oras ang Barangay Santiago. Ayan. Iwasan pa yun ni Rico. Omar with another miss. Isa pa. Fakes. Ayan na naman para kay Rico. Omar missed. Ay, pud pa ka nagbulan imong kauban, abi kay Rico with a fourth straight points, sealing the deal for Barangay Santo Niño's 94-79. Congratulations to Barangay Santo Niño. This is your commentator, Gab. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, mga ka-Asenso. See you next game. Barangay Santa Maria versus Barangay Bulatok. Babay dayon. Sakpan. Mogi paglingi na ako ba. Wa ang George. Hapit pa yung babay oy.
Maasensong gabi mga ka-Asenso. Welcome back sa itong first ever Mayor sa Asenso Barangay Capo karon. Nahuman na ginaatay ka fourth game which was played by Barangay Santo Niño versus Barangay Santiago, and the winner Barangay Santo Niño. Og karon ninyong makita ang ang coach sa winning team o ang usa ka banggitang player sa winning team. Sir, may gabi kaninyo duha sir. Og si coach, pangutanon ti ka coach, unsa man nga strategy as a coach ang imuhang gihatag sa imong ka-team para ilaha kining ma-apply o para sila ang mudaog sa atay ka fourth game karon?
Kung gi-advise sila nga balik lang jud ta, then more defense and no discourage, dayon dili lang jud ta magpadala ng mga isog-isog para dili ta madala sa mga emosyon nga mga physical.
Wow, nindot kay message si coach no. Sir, ikaw po sir, as a player sir, unsa man po ang strategy ang imo pong gi-apply para pod nga naamoy teamwork sa inyong team?
Aming gabi ma'am, unas tanan nagpasalamat mi sa mong pagdula nga gihatag kini kanamong kadaugan og labi na sa mong kontra nga nice game gyapon mi, og sa among pagdula among strategy gamit katura pod sa gitudlo sa mong coach sa mua, og masipyat balik lang. Ag the rest og magpahulay sa pikas court na magpahulay. Magtinabangay lang, walay basulay. Just enjoy the game. Og nagpasalamat kami sa tong halandon nga Mayor San Milisco sa pagpasiulog ayong dula nga first inter barangay diri sa Pagadian City. Daghang salamat og shout out po na ako ang pamilya nga nasa Santo Niño, Singhidas family, og sa mong coach nga si Insik Navarro, og sa asawa nako nga nasa Hong Kong, nagtanaw siya karon sa Mundula og nagasuporta sa Asinso Pagadian. Og daghang salamat sa tanan og sa among boss nga si Aldeber Quizon. Boss, mga video, iandam na daan boss. Salamat.
Osa sir, coach, congratulations ninyo og sa tibuok team Barangay Santo Niño sa mga ka-Asenso no. Ayaw lang magawa ka na patay ka 5th game og fasten your seatbelts kay mo balik na tatiod-tiod. I'm Ivy Marchand Carpentero. Padayon pag-Asenso Pagadian.